the last 9 months, or as the case may be, as you measure your performances, I think both on a relative and absolute term, you've had a very high level of performance, right?
Yes.
But it will also always be true that the extent of performance that any portfolio can give would also be a factor of how the market has behaved per se, right? Largely. So my question to you is, and my question to an extent at least, so my question to you is, are you gunning for repeating the kind of performance that you've done thus far over the course of the next 12 months? Or do you believe that market-wide, because of global pressures or otherwise, market-wide returns might be lower, and therefore, on relative terms, you may outperform, but on absolute terms, you will have to temper your expectations? Which camp are you in?
So Neeraj, every time Virat Kohli goes into bat, he wants to score a century. So every time as a portfolio manager, you want to outperform. Whether that's going to happen, not always, right? Sure. At the end of the day, So yes, we've had a very good 2.5 years, right? First 2 years, our AIF was up 100% and another 100%. So, right, obviously before that we were down 50%, but you look at it, 100 became 200 and 200 became 400. And key is last 1 year, it's now going to be probably a stage where you're going to consolidate. I don't see a tearaway or a runaway bull market, right? Globally, domestically, yes, while our companies are reporting very good numbers, on an average, companies in our portfolio reported 50% PAT growth this quarter. And when I look at the valuations, I look at most of our portfolio is up 10p multiple. And a lot of these companies are industry leaders. So, but yes, globally, macros are really, really bad. You're looking at a deep recession in Europe, right? US is also going through a tough time. China is going through a very bad time. So, look, we're joined at the hip to the world. So, I'd be more cautious than be very, very optimistic or be wildly bullish at this point in time. India looks very, very good. We are very well placed, but you need to be. The 3 stocks that went up yesterday were, which went up massively yesterday were Suzlon, R Power, and Jaycorp and Dish TV. So, it scares me.